The White House dealt LGBTQ people another setback this week. You'll recall last month, U.S. Ambassador to the United Nations Nikki Haley voted against a UN resolution condemning the death penalty for homosexuality. In response, former UN Ambassador Susan Rice tweeted, "Shame on us. I was proud to lead U.S. efforts at the UN to protect LGBTQ people back in the day when America stood for human rights for all." Then on Friday, Attorney General Jeff Sessions issued a directive to federal agencies rolling back LGBTQ protections under Title VII. Under the new policy, a claim of a violation of religious freedom would be enough to override concerns for the civil rights of LGBT people and anti-discrimination protections for women and others. The guidelines are so sweeping that experts on religious liberty are calling them a legal powder keg that could prompt wide-ranging lawsuits against the government. The new guidance is meant to lay out what the DOJ's position will be in court. The memo reads in part, "Religious employers are entitled to employ only persons whose beliefs and conduct are consistent with the employer's religious precepts." But Human Rights Campaign legal director Sarah Warbelow describes the memo as an effort to promote this administration's disgusting agenda of hate. In issuing the memo, Sessions is injecting the department into a thicket of highly charged legal questions that have repeatedly reached the U.S. Supreme Court, most notably in the 2014 Hobby Lobby case. The memo makes clear the Justice Department's support of that opinion in noting that the Religious Freedom Restoration Act of 1993 protects the rights not only of people to worship as they choose, but also of corporations, companies, and private firms. After 49 people were gunned down at a gay nightclub in Orlando, the then GOP nominee promised his policies would protect that community. Quote, "I'll do everything in my power to protect our LGBT citizens from the violence and oppression of a hateful and foreign ideology." But as president, his administration has become the embodiment of that ideology. If you found the information in this video helpful, go ahead and share it with a friend. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you can find me again.